Let's see how to insert book symbol in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, to insert symbol for books, first we have to access the entire list of symbols that Microsoft Word has. So let's go ahead and click on the Insert tab, click on Symbol. Now click on More Symbols to access the entire list. And from here, make sure that you have the font set to Seago UI symbol and subset to extended characters plain 1. And from here, simply scroll down to look for the symbol that you're looking for. And since we're looking for a book, it should be this one right here, either of the two. So either a closed book or an open book. And to insert that into your document, simply click Insert. And as you can see, we now have a symbol of a book right here. And that is how you can insert a book symbol in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.